Hey guys, Quinn the Eskimo. Little tea in my little survival shelter. I'm gonna set this up in 1 minute, 1 minute 30 seconds. It's Coal Cracker's favorite setup. I'm not gonna explain the whole thing, but tie out here. It's a 5x7 tarp. Set up a plow point, and you're good to go. You have anywhere from, I have like double 6-foot line on one end and double 6-foot on the other. He had like 10, double 10, but you can improvise. And then all you have to do is lift up one side, extend it, and you got to lean to immediately. I'll show you that in a minute, but I'm having a little tea. Digestives over my son's place. Basically, nice little tarp, inexpensive. It's not the regular plastic ones, it's like a nylon. So I'll show you what I mean here. So you see right here, it's a plow point. There's your lines here. Yeah, this is not paracord. I have paracord, but I had this. I want to use this. It's a little flexible. It's fine. Tie this here. Put your 3 pegs in. Then you got your line over here. And all you have to do basically is lift this up, and now you got to lean to. See? But you would tie off this end. Now, to make this end longer, this is only tied with 1 knot. You could just untie it and then tie it right there. Now you got a 12, in my case, a 12-foot line. If you have 10 and 10, and you got a 20-foot line. I use bank line in all my loops. See the bank line? This has a few more grommets. And even here, if you lift this up, I'm gonna put this back down just to show you. You can even lift this up, give you a little extra room, a little slightly different touch to it. You can do it on each side. You see the bank line there, but it's Coal Cracker style, using different cordage. Here I got bank line, 36 bank line, which I do like, and here's just some elastic, but you can use paracord. And you can set this up real quick. You can sleep in there, modify it any way you want, man. But that's it, just a little ditty. Here's the other line here. See, wrap it around a tree, or you can just untie it right there, and you have a longer, twice the size of this. So you have a lot of options. There's more grommets there too, so you can do a lot with it. 5x7 nylon. I like the 36, and this line is not, the stake is on the 36 bank line, but this line is just on the grommet. You know, tie it and you can extend it. But just a little ditty. And have my tea. 3 stakes is all you need. You can make them, you can do whatever you want. But you should have something ready in a pinch. That's what you should do. So it's just a quick little setup. I did pick up an extra tarp because I like to have tarps in each bag, and I may get a couple more of these little nylon ones. But this cord, it does stretch, so sometimes you have trouble. Now you just pull it, you're done. You're done. This comes undone. That doesn't matter, it's just a survival thing. So there you go. Back line here. Got paracord right there. got 7 doubled on one side and 10 doubled on the other side. But this is much bigger. Very good for a lean-to, and but it's not as wide. But I think it's better for a lean-to than the regular 5x7. 5x7 is great for plow point. So I'm going to show you. Alright guys, this is just another setup. It's a Firelight poncho, about 4 feet wide. Looks about at least 8 feet long. Works pretty good, man. It's actually better for lean-to. And then with the hood, you can tie it up if you have to. But you can put this up minute 30 seconds. Set up the same way.